The Philippine Navy's future amphibious fleet is steadily growing stronger, and one of its most important upcoming assets is now visibly taking shape in Indonesia. The Third Landing Platform Dock, or LPD, intended for the Philippine Navy, has now reached a major construction milestone at the shipyard of PT PAL. Newly released images featured during an audio-visual presentation reveal dramatic progress in the vessel's construction, highlighting just how quickly modern naval shipbuilding can advance once modular assembly reaches full momentum.
What makes this development especially remarkable is the speed of transformation seen over only about 4 months. From January 22, 2026 to May 21, 2026, the vessel evolved from an early-stage hull structure into a warship with a clearly visible superstructure and increasingly recognizable operational profile. For observers of Philippine military modernization, these images provide one of the clearest indications yet that the Philippine Navy's amphibious capabilities are about to expand significantly in the coming years.
Looking first at the January 22 construction image, the ship was still in a relatively early assembly phase. At that time, the dry dock primarily showed the lower hull sections already aligned and connected. The bow structure was recognizable, giving the first glimpse of the vessel's final shape, but much of the upper structure remained absent. The ship still appeared skeletal, with large portions of the deck area unfinished. The latest image reveals a vessel that has undergone a major structural transformation in approximately 120 days. The superstructure is now clearly visible, including what appears to be the future bridge area and upper deck sections. The hull itself looks substantially more complete, with major modules already integrated into the ship's framework. This stage is extremely important because it suggests the vessel is now entering the transition from pure structural assembly toward fitting out preparation. In naval shipbuilding, this means the project is moving closer to the phase where onboard systems, electronics, communications equipment, sensors, and mission-specific components begin installation. The vessel itself belongs to the Philippine Navy's Landing Docks Acquisition Project and is expected to become part of the growing Tarlac-class fleet. These ships are among the most versatile assets currently operated by the Philippine Navy. Unlike conventional warships focused primarily on combat, landing platform docks serve multiple strategic purposes simultaneously. They can transport troops, armored vehicles, humanitarian supplies, helicopters, and landing craft across long distances. In an archipelagic country like the Philippines, that capability is absolutely critical. These ships also enhance interoperability with allied navies, particularly during multinational exercises involving amphibious landings, humanitarian operations, and maritime security missions. As regional security dynamics continue evolving in the Indo-Pacific, the ability to rapidly deploy personnel and equipment has become increasingly valuable. The addition of a third LPD would significantly strengthen the Philippine Navy's logistical and amphibious capacity. It would provide greater operational flexibility, allowing multiple deployment missions to occur simultaneously while reducing strain on the current fleet. The speed of progress visible in the latest images also reflects the maturity of PT PAL's modular shipbuilding capabilities. Once major hull sections are aligned correctly, shipyards can rapidly stack upper modules vertically, resulting in dramatic visible growth over relatively short periods. Based on the current construction pace, there is growing speculation that the vessel could potentially be prepared for launching later this year. Launching, however, does not mean the ship is operational immediately. After launch, the vessel would still undergo extensive fitting-out work, systems integration, harbor acceptance tests, and eventually sea trials before formal delivery to the Philippine Navy. That process can take many additional months depending on the complexity of installed systems and operational requirements. Still, reaching the launching stage would represent a major milestone in itself. As the Philippine Navy continues modernizing under the broader Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program, the Third Landing Platform Dock symbolizes more than just another ship under construction.
It represents the steady expansion of the country's ability to project assistance, mobility, and operational readiness across Philippine waters and beyond. And judging from the remarkable construction progress seen in only 4 months, the future vessel is steadily moving closer to becoming one of the Philippine Navy's most valuable maritime assets. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine defense and modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.